In this video I'm going to show you how to deal with permutations of n objects taken r at a time. Okay, now depending on the textbook that you are using, this would be denoted in either of these two ways. We could do P with parentheses, n objects taken r at a time. We could also use the capital P and put n objects on the left hand side taken r at a time. Okay, the formula for calculating this is going to be n factorial over n minus r factorial, where r's got to be less than or equal to n. Okay, so that's the basic formula that we're going to be using, and one example here on how you're going to go about using this formula. Okay, so our example says find the number of ways to listen to 5 different CDs from a selection of 15 CDs. Alright, so in objects I have a total of 15 CDs, 15 objects. Alright, so that's my n, and I'm going to be taking them 5 at a time. Alright, how many different ways could I do this? 5 at a time. So then 5 then is my r. Okay, so basically I'm going to use this formula. I'm going to plug things in and then simplify this out. So n factorial, I have 15 objects, so 15 factorial. Alright, I am taking the objects 5 at a time, so 15 minus 5 factorial on the bottom. Alright, now go ahead and do a little bit of arithmetic here. 15 factorial is going to stay on the top. I'm going to go ahead and subtract here. 15 minus 5 is going to give me a 10 factorial. Alright, now before you start applying the factorial and multiplying things out, alright, you can simplify this a little bit by hand, which is going to make sense and make things a lot easier. Alright, if I've got 15 factorial on the top and I've got 10 factorial on the bottom, let's take that 15 factorial and start to work it out as we would a factorial. So 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10, but because I have a 10 factorial on the bottom, I don't want to finish taking that out the rest of the way. I'm going to leave it 10 factorial right there. Then with my 10 factorial on the bottom, alright, I can then now, okay, cross this out, alright, now my final answer will be 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11, and when using a calculator and multiplying that out, I believe it is 360,360. Alright, so how many different ways are there to listen to 5 different CDs from a selection of 15 CDs? There's 360,360. Alright, so just one quick little example there showing you how you can do permutations of n objects taken r at a time, showing a little bit of the arithmetic so that you're doing this by hand. Definitely thanks for watching. Be sure and give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks.